Oh, yeah. Oh.
Move closer to this edge.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna reach under and really go into that spot.
Oh.
Lie on your side facing this way, please. Got it.
Oh, yeah.
Good, come this way.
Ooh, yep.
Got it.
Wow.
I'm gonna pull this pillow away. Scoot down towards me a few inches. Perfect. Lie on your back.
Oh,
Where'd you feel that?
yep. And my ankles, yeah.
Good. Come stand up, see how it feels.
Ooh, yeah. So much better.
All right, we're gonna start with the T3 on that left side. Good. Drop to a T2 on the right. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Deep breath in and out. Good. Leg length should probably still be good. Just what I like to see. Alright, let's have you sit up on the table for me. Thighs to the table. Okay. First one, we're going to rotate you this way. Look over the shoulder for me. Next, so we're going to turn you this way and look over that shoulder. There we go. Good. And lay face down for me. Okay, let's drop down to the sacrum. We're going to stabilize right on the sacrum. Raise the right leg up for me, please.
So the whole thing?
Yep. Any pain with that?
A little tightness.
A little tightness?
Yeah.
Okay. Raise the left side for me. Now, how does the left feel?
The left is way worse.
Left is way worse?
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, we're going to keep you uncrossed there.
Okay.
We're going to bend that knee. Again for me?
Definitely better.
Definitely went up higher. Good. Alright, what I want you to do next, lay on your side, facing me this way.
Okay.
So we're going to keep that bottom leg straight. Top one we're going to bend. Good, just like that. Make that arm. Perfect, right there. Good. Flip to the other side. And bend that leg. Just like that. Perfect. And flat on your back. And then let your legs, yep.
Like this?
No, relax. Felt that up in the hip?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ankle even released there too?
Yeah.
Come on up. Okay, and we're gonna have you stand all the way up from Stand right here. Bring your arms up for me. Like that, yep. Put your hands up and over mine.
Like this?
Just like that, perfect. And I'm gonna lean back just a little bit. I got you.
Okay.
Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Good. Okay, and we're gonna have you take a seat. And exhale. Good. And relax right there. So we can scoot you down just a little bit. Perfect.
Oh my god. Wow.
Deep breath in and out for me. I think everybody heard that in the room.
Wow.
How would you describe that?
I can't even. It was just from the bottom to the top. That was great. That was an immense release.